With the exponential growth of digital infrastructure and multi-cloud approach, managing and securing digital footprints has never been more crucial. This is where external attack surface management or EASM, continuous attack surface management CAASM, and digital risk protection services or DRPS come into play. In this video, I'm going to give you a very short, quick intro into all these three concepts in as simple language as possible. EASM or External Attack Surface Management is all about identifying, mapping, and securing all external digital assets associated with an organization. This proactive approach helps organizations to understand their attack surface better and reduce the likelihood of a security breach. Common use cases include vulnerability management and assessment, incident response, and threat intelligence. Then we have CAASM or Continuous Attack Surface Management. CAASM, on the other hand, is an extension of EASM, providing continuous and real-time visibility and control over an organization's entire attack surface. It's not just about understanding what's out there, but also knowing what's changing and when. This continuous monitoring helps organizations to rapidly detect and respond to new threats, manage their digital risk more effectively, and ensure compliance with regulatory standards. Then we have DRPS or Digital Risk Protection Services. DRPS complements both EASM and CAASM by focusing on protecting against digital risks that originate from outside the traditional security perimeter. These include risks associated with data leakage, reputation damage, and online fraud. By leveraging DRPS, organizations can monitor the digital landscape for potential threats, respond to incidents in real time, and mitigate risks before they become full blown crises. In today's hyper connected world, securing the digital workspace isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. ESM, CAASM, and DRPS are key tools in helping you achieve this goal. I hope that you found it useful. If you have any feedback, please put it in the comment section. Thanks for listening.